has been sighting the ball really well. That's why he's accomplished the kind of feat that he has. So good decisions on both sides. Ahmed Danial to bowl and Clan and Habib to come out for Bangladesh.
Irfan Khan, his choices would have been Ahmed Danial, who bowled a brilliant last over, 2 for 11 of his 4 the entire spell, and Sufyan Mukim, 3 for 11. So he has gone for the safe option, which is a go pace. Habibur Rahman Sohan, 26 of 16 with 3 boundaries and a couple of sixers. He's been joined by Abdul Ghaffar Saqlain, who remain unbeaten, 16 of 12 deliveries with 2 sixes. Ahmed Danial was excellent with the ball and the bat in the semi-final. Continues his good work with 4 overs, 11 runs, 2 wickets, and he will continue to bowl the super over. The field, the short third man, short cover point, short fine leg, short extra cover, in deep, sweeper cover, long off, long on, deep mid and deep square leg. Here we go, super over time. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Danial. Just a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saqlain back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, Maran.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going so forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saqlain, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saqlain. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saqlain departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazi Gori got an hand, but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat 10 minutes go back in time, and now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Aziguri, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial right throughout in the death overs in the tournament. He's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hand. But he has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the 2nd time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled, 7 to get for Pakistan.
Yeah, 3 balls to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have thought that he should have played that for a single. Maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over. That's 6 balls. 6 already on the board. Bangladesh are done.
Danger man just faced one delivery. That